Drawing pie chart in R statistics using the pie bracket x command or function. To draw a pie chart in R statistics, first you need to define the sections within the pie chart by inserting the following vector: x space assignment operator smaller than minus sign space C for combine, and then bracket, and insert the values or the percentage or the proportion of each section within the pie chart. To draw the pie chart in R statistics, use the command or the function pie bracket x. Pi is small case. To also give the chart, the pie chart, a title, use the command main equal to quotation mark jobs or whatever title for the pie diagram. To also insert labels for the sections within the pie chart, insert the following vector to define each one of those sections by typing y space assignment operator space, then the vector is C combine bracket, and then inside the bracket quotation mark for the first section, label of the first section, comma, quotation mark, label of the second section, comma, quotation mark, label of the third section, comma, then quotation mark and label of the fourth section. Sections, as we have here 4 sections. And then to assign the labels to the pie chart, use the command pie bracket x comma label equal to y. To change the color of the sections within the pie chart, insert the following vector: colors space assignment operator space combine for C, and then bracket, and inside the bracket 4 different color scheme for the 4 different sections. Each color is inserted within a quotation marks separated by comma from another color scheme. And then to assign the colors to the sections within the pie chart, use the command pie bracket x comma label equal to y comma color equal to colors. And finally, to insert legend for the pie chart, use the command legend bracket quotation mark bottom right, bottom left, whatever, comma y comma fill equal to colors, close the bracket. And as shown here, legend can be positioned at the bottom right, bottom left, top left, top right, right, and center. To draw a pie chart in R statistics, here in the R console, first of all, you need to define the sections within the pie chart by inserting and defining the following vector: x space assignment operator space C for combine, then open a bracket. The first section will be within the pie chart will be 10%, the second is 20, the third is 30, and the fourth is 40. Close the bracket and hit enter. To draw the pie chart, just type pie, open a bracket, insert x, close the bracket, hit enter. a pie chart is generated on the right hand side, as shown here, that the first section is 10%, the second is 20, the third is 30, and the fourth is 40%. To give the pie chart title, use the main command. So pie, insert here the pie, open a bracket, x, comma, main equal to, let's call it jobs, between two quotation mark, jobs, close the bracket, hit enter. A title is given to the pie chart. To insert labels for each one of these sections, use the command label. So for this, I will generate a vector and call it y. Type y space assignment operator space C for combine to define the vector, open a bracket, and I'm going to give the first section for the nurses, the second for police, the third for doctor, and the fourth for professors, as these sections represent different job or professions. After the bracket, open a quotation mark, insert or type nurse, close the quotation, and then for the second section it's going to be police. So insert quotation mark, police, close the quotation, comma, insert another quotation mark for doctor, close the quotation, comma, and finally for the last profession, which is a professor, insert quotation, close the bracket, and hit enter. Here we have defined that section 1 will represent a nurse, 2 represent police, 3 represent doctor, 4 represent professor. To assign these section labels, type pie, open a bracket, x, comma, label, set the command label equal to the y, as the assigned the vector y, and then insert comma, and let's give this a title, call it jobs or professions. Close the bracket, hit enter. Each section on the pie chart that represent the jobs or profession is assigned a job category or a label. To change the color of each section in this pie chart, we're going to generate a vector, call it colors. So type colors space assignment operator space C for combine, and then insert bracket, and then insert the color for each section. For the nurse, insert quotation, and then let's give it a yellow color, close the quotation, comma. For the second one, quotation, green, comma. For the third one, red. For the fourth one, blue, close the quotation and close the bracket. To assign the color to each sections on the pie diagram, use the following command. Press enter and then type pi, open a bracket, type x, comma, label equal to y, comma, main equal to quotation jobs, and then color. The command for coloring the section is col equal to colors. Close the bracket, hit enter. The color coding for each section is assigned as stated in the command here. To insert legend for the pie chart, use the command or the function legend. And to do that, type legend, then open a bracket, quotation mark, assign the legend to the bottom left, close the quotation mark, comma, y, comma, fill equal colors, close the bracket, hit enter. The legend are assigned to the bottom left of the pie. So this is the way to draw a pie chart in all statistics, and assigning the pie chart a label, a header, color coding each section with specific color, and assigning and inserting a legend in the pie chart, whether on the top or the left or the right or the bottom of the chart.